Kailangan pa ba ng price yan, boss?
Wala akong price, done deal na.
Oh, 589. Napakamura, boss. What time for online business?
Pasabay.
Maganda daw talaga kitaan sa pasabay eh. Di mo tinaga. Okay, what's up guys? Another watch, another day. Meron tayong client. He's ordering a watch for himself. Sakto, dito ako sa BGC ngayon. Hindi kasi ako makapunta sa Green Hills. So dito ko na lang pinapunta pati yung relo niya. He's looking for a yacht master, guys. Samahan niyo ako. Kaya pagdandilan tayo. Kasama daw niyo yung mga anak niyo, pare. Tara. How are you, sir? Welcome to 31 by Gentry Time Pieces, boss. Na-excite ka na? This is the Yacht Master Reference 16622. This is a 2013. This is the last of the production na, boss, ng Yacht Master na Reference 16622. This was discontinued 2012. Now, fun fact for this one po, when we say rehot, boss, ito yung andito sa gilid, makikita mo. May nakasulat na repetitive na mga Rolex sa gilid, and then sa pinakababa, you can already see the serial number. Before naging random yung serial numbers, which is that's 2011 onwards, dati numbered or may category ang mga serial number ni Rolex before. So we know if it's G, it's production ng 2010. If it's V, it's production ng 2009. If it's M, it's production ng 2008. Ganon. So on and so forth. Ngayon, natapos yun, category na yun after 2011, which is naging random na yung serial number. Para lang alam mo, kasi naubusan na sila ng alphabet, pare. Fun fact. Ayos ba? Ano ginagawa sa buhay mo?
Online business.
What time for online business?
Pasabay.
Saan bansa?
Usually Thailand, but we go to Japan, Malaysia, and also
Oh,
Korea.
maganda daw talaga kitaan sa pasabay. Pasabay. Sir, sukatin na natin.
Yeah?
Done deal na, boss.
Wala akong price, done deal na.
Kailangan pa ba ng price yan, boss? Oh, 589. Napakamura, boss. Kompleto yan, boss, ha? Box, card, papers, lahat. Extra links nandito na. What do you think?
580.
Ha? 580?
575.
Hey, ano tayo? Okay. Done. Done! Ang dali ng negotiation namin ngayon, boss. Maraming salamat, boss, ha. Di mo tinaga. Done deal tayo, boss. Maraming salamat. Antayin nyo na yung kape nyo. Ako bahala sa inyo, boss. Baka gusto nyo. Ma'am, syempre meron kayong 10,000 gift certificate kay Doc Sheena. 5,000 gift certificate naman kay Mobile Card. Any Apple product yan, boss. Maraming salamat, boss. Done deal. Your done deal hoodie. Ito na, ang done deal iced tea namin. This is house blend. Dito basta-basta. Kailan ka bibili, boss?
3 years.
23, 26. Oh, tama lang. Pa-reserve ka na, boss. Tapos, kunin mo na lang after 2 to 3 years.